T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power. And liftoff of Starlink 513. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
That's the fuel tank.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Vehicle is on a nominal trajectory.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 transonic.
Stage 2 in terminal guidance.
Ooh, look at that.
Stage 1 landing burn.
Stage 2 FTSS safety.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And there's confirmation of good orbit.